Alright, today I'm going to show you how to blow dust off of your camera. Okay, right here I have the Sony A7R Mark III right here. And attached I have Carl Zeiss lens right here. It's a 35 millimeter. And what I'm going to do is basically just take my blower and I'm going to blow dust from off the crevices. You want to do this, you got to keep the dust from getting on your camera, because if you don't, whenever you try to change lenses, it may get on the sensor. So what I do is I take the blower and I just blow the lens right at the cracks. Just keep on blowing it. Just blow all around that, right? And then also come in the back, and you want to get like right in the cracks and crevices over here, right here. Just keep on blowing. All right. And then also the viewfinder, take the little tip of it and then put it right there and then blow that as well too. And that's how you clean your camera using the blower. Just keep on blowing it. Let me know if you have any questions.